Hey everybody, this is your friendly saucier, Johnny Mac from the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is definitely one recipe you're going to have to bookmark because it's dynamite. Chateaubriand sauce. Don't be scared of the long name. This is definitely a simple and easy sauce to make. The hardest part of this recipe is going to the store to get the ingredients. The ingredients include shallots, mushrooms, bay leaf, thyme, white wine, veal stock, tarragon, parsley, and salt to taste. Okay, let's get into it. This first part's optional. You can cook your steak any way that you like it. You can cook it on the grill, or you can sear it in a pan and cook it in the oven. If you cook it in the pan, first thing you're going to want to do is get rid of the grease. If you cook the steaks on the grill, this is where you're going to want to begin. So go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Now you're going to add 1 small shallot and 2 mushrooms. Cook this until the shallots are translucent and the mushrooms are well cooked. You don't want to burn this, you don't want it to be browned. For the next step, we're going to add 1/3 of a cup of wine, 2 sprigs of thyme, and a bay leaf. Now cook this mixture until the white wine has fully reduced. Once the white wine has reduced, go ahead and take out the thyme and the bay leaf. Okay, now we're almost done. We're getting closer to the end. Go ahead and add 1/3 of a cup of veal stock. Now it's time to add a 1/2 tablespoon of parsley and a 1/2 tablespoon of tarragon. Incorporate that in. Okay, and you're going to want to bring this to a boil. Add a pinch of salt. Okay, and for the final step, go ahead, turn off the heat, add 2 tablespoons of butter. You're going to want to do this a little bit at a time. Constantly whisk it to incorporate it together. And there you have it, everybody, a Chateaubriand sauce. Really, truly, this is a fantastic sauce. It goes great with steak, it goes great with fries, rice, any type of potato. You're going to love this sauce. I hope you enjoy it. Hey, thanks for watching. Check the description below for the recipe. Please leave your comments. Let me know what you might like me to make in the future. Please support the channel by subscribing, and I'll see you next time.